Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello class, how are you today?
Good, thanks.
How about you? I am good too. Okay, before we start our lesson today, please saying basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Now let me check your attendance. Who is the absent today?
One.
Okay, before we start lesson today, please stand up.
Mereka nggak mau nih.
Berhitung. Jadi counting. Ya, counting 1 2 3 1 2 3, but 3 you have say bash.
Oh,
Three
iya.
you have to lipatan 3 you have to say
Oh.
bash. 3 6 yeah,
Nice.
etc.
Anggra ini.
Okay, Anggur. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Start, Nida.
Anggra.
4 5
Asik banget.
Anggur. Lipatan 3.
Anggur.
Nggak paham. Start again.
Mulai.
For you start what?
1 2
4 5
7
okay
7
8
10
11
Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. Please sit down. The previous lesson we learned about narrative text, descriptive text. I want to ask you, do you still remember what is definition of descriptive text?
Yes.
Please raise your hand and answer.
Descriptive text is a text that describes human, animal, or specific things.
Very good. And how about generic structure of descriptive text? Raise your hand. Yes.
Identification and
Yes. Okay. Today we will learn about narrative text. Look at this picture. What is this? What this story is? Do you know?
Surabaya.
Yes. Legend of Surabaya. Please, Mbak Salsa, read the slide.
Definition: narrative text is a type of text that tells a chronological story in the past tense. The purpose of the text is to entertain or to amuse the readers or listeners about the story.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, narrative text is the kind of text that retell a story in the past tense, and the purpose is to entertain or to amuse the readers or listeners about the story. Next is the structure of narrative text. There are four of structure, three of the structure of narrative text. The first is orientation. Orientation usually includes character, place, and time. And the next is communication. Communication describe the problem in the story, and the last resolution conclude the story, which can be sad ending or happy ending. Next is language feature of narrative text. The first is use past tense. For example, by using verb 2 or verb 3, like fell, brought, taken, and etc. The next is using adverb of time. For example, when, suddenly, until, and so on. And the third is using time conjunction. For example, after, as soon as, then, and etc. And the last is using specific character. For example, Sang Kuryang, Snow White, and Cinderella. The kind of narrative text. The first, fairy tale, is a type of narrative text that tell a fantasy story or an unrealistic story. For example, include Cinderella, Timon Mas, and etc. And the second is folklore. Usually, folklore stories are passed down from generation to generation within a community, like Maling Kundang, Crying Stone, and etc. The third is legend. Legend are a type or narrative text that originate from a combination of folklore and fairy tales, like the Legend of Surabaya and Story of Red Cobra. There is any question? Now please watch the video and analyze structure and language feature this video. And read on the paper rule book. Are you understand?
Yes.
The Legend of Surabaya. A long time ago, on East Java, there were two strong animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was a shark, and Baya was a crocodile. Actually, they were friends, but when they were hungry, they were very picky and did not want to serve their food. Therefore, for each time they were stopped. One day, Sura and Baya were looking some food, but they did not want to serve and they fought again. After several hours, Sura and Baya had planned to stop their fight. Sura lived at the foot of the sea, and Baya lived at the foot of land. But one day, Sura went to land at the foot of the river. Baya was angry when he knew that Sura was broke his promise. Then Sura and Baya fought again, and finally Sura was kept up and he went back to the sea. Before that
main characteristic, main character. And the place in Italy and Spain. From the video, it is analyze orientation, communication, and resolution in story region of Surabaya. Please, anyone to read the slide. Balana. As about the slide are relevant to place, Ujjala and Mendasar. Sura is the sub and Baya is the secretary. Dalam conclusion, Sura and Baya were friends, but because of their disputes, they got them to involved. So, this orientation into main karakteristik and main karakter just Sura and Baya, and the complication or the problem Sura and Baya were fine, but because of their greediness, so they found when look for food. And the resolution, they made an agreement to live in different areas, Sura in the sea and Baya on land. However, Sura broke the promise, so they fought again until Sura lost and returned to the sea. So moral value is do not be greedy and always keep your promise. Before we end lesson today, I will remember you about this lesson. Lesson today. Okay, the narrative text is what is the definition of narrative text? Can you answer? So, thank you. And the structure of narrative text, can you please log the orientation, communication, and resolution. I think that is enough for today. The homework, you have to find the narrative story like legend, fables, or so on, and find the structure and limitation. And please saying hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.